Aviana, and I'll be making a YouTube channel. This is my first one, and basically in my YouTube channels, I'll be like dancing, pranking, or talking about what I'm gonna do, or you might see me just walking around doing tours around my house, and I might just be talking to my big sister, my cousin, or people, and you can meet my sister.
So y'all.
And on Friday, I'll be making another YouTube channel, but she won't be in it. It'll be me, Jordan, Aaron, and Shamarian in it. She's gonna be with her friend Talia, and then we'll sometimes I'll make a YouTube channel about us in the summer.
And we'll be doing challenges and stuff.
I'll be making a YouTube channel with us in Myrtle Beach because we're supposed to be taking a family trip to Myrtle Beach or Miami, but everybody says we're going to Miami. And I'll be showing you how to do like gymnastics, stuff like that. Thanks for watching, Aviana.